Dress number 2. Party in the back, party in the back, party in the back. Hello internet friends, good morning, welcome back. This is Sierra, and if this is your first time here, my name is Sierra and I'm an American who lives in Japan. Every week I make a new video about my family's life here and the shenanigans that we or I get up to on the weekly. I make videos about obviously Stitch Fix because that's what I'm making this video on, Lush, being vegan, raising vegan kids, and adoption. So if any of those things are interesting to you, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Anyway, now that all that jargon is over with, let's get into the actual video. So if you guys came over from my little Stitch Fix unboxing, then I'm just going to pick up where I left off. But as you guys can probably tell by my hair and makeup, it's the next day because I had a low battery when I was starting my video. And then I realized my spare battery that I usually kept charged was also dead from our last little excursion. So yeah, it's the next day. Sorry about that. Anyway, not that it matters to you guys because you'll be watching this the next day. Anyway, whatever. So if you're wondering why my hair and makeup is different, that's why my hair and makeup is different. Anyways, so today we're going to be trying on my Stitch Fix box for February, and a lot of the stuff in here is really cute. If you've never heard of Stitch Fix before, Stitch Fix is an online personal shopping service that will bring cute, fashionable clothes within your budget directly to your door. Wow, that sounded really advertising. That's okay. Anyway, as I've been saying, this is my third Stitch Fix try on video, and I've really been enjoying Stitch Fix because, as I said earlier in the video, I live in Japan, and if anyone who's been to Japan or has researched Japan will quickly realize that American size clothing or clothing for Western body types can be really difficult to find. So if you're interested in giving Stitch Fix a try, go ahead and click the link that I put in the description box. With full disclosure, this video is not sponsored by Stitch Fix, but if you click on the link and use it to sign up, you get a discount and I get a discount as well. So yeah, anyways, that's everything I need to say. I've been chatting for a long time into the camera, so let's just try some of this stuff on. As per the usual, when I try on my Stitch Fix videos, I have the outfit. It's just a pair of black leggings and a white t-shirt. I like to wear leggings and t-shirts underneath my clothes when I try them on because that way none of the fabric or any of the stuff from whoever tried it on before's yuckiness touches my skin. And I also like using white on the top and black on the bottom because that allows me to see whether or not something is see-through because the white is such a bright color. So yeah, let's try some stuff on. So first thing we're gonna try on, I already have in my hands, is this really cute sweater dress. It looks really long and soft, so let's give it a try. Okay, so that was really fun. This is the first sweater dress that I have on right now, and this is how it fits. Let me step back just a little bit. Okay, so right off the bat, I mean, you guys can see that it's like your usual sweater dress. It doesn't really have anything special about it, but what I really like so far is I like how soft it is. Like I said this in my unboxing video, but I really truly feel like this sweater dress was made by the angels. The sleeves are a little bit short on me right now, but I think that might be, it's probably just because I have the t-shirt underneath of it. I can see how it's bunched a little bit up here. But yeah, otherwise I do really like this sweater dress. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it yet or not for a couple of reasons. One, it's just kind of like your basic, like, regular, not that special sweater dress. And I also don't really know if I like the color in it because it has like a black and like tan pepper type of look to it. I don't know. I don't know if I think it's cool or if I think that it's weird. All right, next item we're gonna try on is the purple dress. It is, I think, cap sleeved or short sleeved. I don't actually know yet. We're gonna find out together when I try it on. And I'm hoping that it's gonna be really comfortable and cute for the end of winter and really good for the spring. So let's do that next. Dress number 2. Looks genuinely awful with this t-shirt on, but I would rather look awful in a video than get some kind of icky rash from something someone else has previously tried on. Anyway, let's just step back a little bit and you guys can see how the dress looks. And it is super cute. I really like it a lot. I think I mentioned this in my unboxing video. I probably did because it was on my mind. This dress is pretty much the same color as the bridesmaids wore in my wedding, so immediately I'm just like, oh, I love this dress. One thing that I'm concerned about, I don't know if you guys can see, I'll come a little bit closer, is that on the side, I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Yeah, you can. But like the armpit area is cut really low, which I think is kind of weird. and I'm kind of worried about like my bra like sticking out of the armpit area. I can feel it just a little bit right there, and on like a summer's day moving around, things might not stay where they need to go. Anyways, I'm gonna tell you guys at the bottom whether or not I decide to keep each item, but so far I'm leaning towards yes on the dress, but I have to think about the armpit party. All right, so enough about the dress. Moving on to the next item. I'm just gonna leave this dress on and try it on because I'm gonna try on the cardigan. I talked about this in the last video. The cardigan is apparently a dark gray, but to me it looks like spotty black. There we go. But to me it looks like spotty black and white. Whatever. I don't know, maybe the mixing of the two colors makes it gray. I don't know. My stylist did give me a little note in my box to let her know whether or not I liked this like color scheme that's going on. And to be completely honest, I don't know. Right, so I probably should have chosen a different color to try on this cardigan with. You guys can't really see it. You know what, let's just like back up. I'm gonna take the dress off and then we'll try again. All right, this is better. So now let's actually take a step back and see how the cardigan looks. And here it is. The length is okay. So far I really like it. It's very like soft and comfortable. But again, I just don't know what I think of the coloring on the sleeves. And I've noticed that I can see the white of my t-shirt underneath the cardigan, but I'm not sure if that's like the white in this cardigan or if it's actually the white that's showing through. I don't know. I mean, there's really not that much you can say about a black cardigan. It's just your basic black cardigan, but it is really soft. My other concern about it is it doesn't feel incredibly warm, but it is February and in Japan spring is basically here, so maybe I will hang on to it. Next item is the black sweater, and I mean there's not much to say about it up close, so let's just step back a little bit and check it out. You guys can't see where it ends because of my leggings, but this is the length of the sweater, which I actually really like a lot because I feel like as a mom and other mamas who watch me, when we go like this all the time, picking up our kids, the backs of our shirts always seem to ride up and no one likes that, so that's not good. In addition to that, it's kind of like businessy in the front, so it has like a middle of the chest neckline, but then, just wait, party in the back, party in the back. Party in the back. So if you guys can't tell by my reaction, I'm definitely keeping this because although I have a lot of black sweaters, over time they kind of get greenish because I wash them over and over and over again. And my favorite cute black sweater I've been wearing since I think my first year of teaching, and that was in 2011, so that's a really long time and I need to get rid of that sweater. And I would donate it, but it's to the point where it's that green color that nobody wants that. Or maybe I could make a dog bed. And the last thing that I'm going to try on, which I picked for last specifically because I wanted to be able to wear the sweater with it, is this pair of red trousers. I don't know if I mentioned this in my unboxing video, but I have a really difficult time buying trousers in Japan because I'm a little bit taller than the average Japanese person, but I have a hard time finding trousers in the States or in the UK or anywhere that has Western sizes because I'm a little bit shorter than the average white person. So always fun. But yeah, I got these red trousers and I'm gonna try them on for you. All right, stepping back, this is how the pants look on me. I don't know what to say about them other than your basic like red everyday trouser. So far the trousers are an okay length on me, which is good. Usually I have a couple of inches on regular trousers and sometimes the shorts are too short and they look kind of weird. And usually I'm not willing to pay for alterations, but yeah, these are actually pretty good. I don't know if I like how high-waisted they are. I don't know, I have kind of mixed feelings about this because it's literally like trousers up to your chest. But overall, I think the color is really cool and I actually really like how it looks with this sweater. And I have a lot of gray and white tops, so I feel like red trousers would go either way. So yeah, I don't know. Originally, I didn't think I was going to keep these trousers just because I have such high expectations for trousers, but to try them on 800 to 900 more times and then I'll make a decision about whether or not I'm going to keep them. So anyway, I am done trying everything on for you guys, but overall I feel like my stylist is getting better and better, and I have heard from other people who also do Stitch Fix, the longer you do it, the better your stylist gets at figuring out what you're going to keep and what you're going to not be interested in. So before I do my little outro, I just want to do a little shout out to my stylist Diane. Diane, if you're watching, I hope you're watching. You usually watch because I send these videos to you. Thank you so much for putting this box together for me, and thank you so much for listening to all of my feedback. And I can definitely tell that you are taking everything that I say into consideration because everything that you are sending me gets better with every single box. So I am going to take a little break on my shipments, which you already know about, and I guess I'm also telling my YouTube audience that I am taking a little break on my shipments just because there's a lot of stuff going on in my life right now, and I already actually have a ton of summer clothes because it's warm in Japan, or not freezing for most of the year, and I feel like I have enough for the next few months at least. Anyways, that's pretty much everything. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which items, if you were me, or which items you would keep if this was your box. I think it'd be interesting to see who's watching my videos and how their style is a little bit different than mine. If you are enjoying that and you still haven't signed up for Stitch Fix yet, I don't know what you're doing with your time, but there's a link in my description, and I know that most of my viewers live in the US, so Stitch Fix, I think, ships to every single state. I'll have to check that, and I'll APO addresses. So sign up for Stitch Fix, because if you don't, you're missing out. And especially with the pandemic, we're not allowed to really go shopping right now. So really this is your only way to go out and get clothing right now. And it's actually safer because you're not going out with all the public-y peoples. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.